Welcome back, Junior Drawers. My name's Tom, and today we're drawing a spider hanging high in the sky. Now, the first shape we need is a circle. So let's draw a nice big circle for our spider. There we go. Now that we've got a circle, how do we turn this circle into a spider? With some eyes. That's a great idea. Now, what's a good shape for spider eyes? Circles. Well done. So let's draw two big circle eyes for our spider. There we go. Now that we've got two big circles, we need two smaller circles on the inside. There we go. Now we've got our two little circles. What do we have to do with the little circles? We need to color them in. Well done. So let's do our best coloring and we'll color these little circles in. There we go. And our spider's eyes are complete. Now, what's the next step for our spider's face? His mouth. And what sort of mouth should we give him today? A smile. That's a great idea. So let's give our spider a nice, happy smile. There we go. Now our spider has a mouth. We need to draw his spider fangs sticking out of his mouth. Now, what's a good shape for spider fangs? Triangles. Well done. So let's use two triangles for our spider's fangs. One. Two. Now, I'm not sure if spiders have eyebrows, but today we're going to give our spider eyebrows to help with his expression. Now, he's got a nice happy smile, so we're going to give him two happy eyebrows. One. Two. There we go. Now, our spider's face is complete. What's missing from this spider? His legs. Well done. And how many legs does a spider have? 8. Excellent work. So let's draw 4 on each side. Count it out with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll swap sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. And our spider is complete. Now our spider, he's just floating there. What does he need to hang from? A spider's web. Well done. So let's draw a nice straight line from the top of his head to the top of the page. There we go. And now our spider is complete. The next step is to draw our background. And I thought today we would make it look like this spider is really high up in the sky, like he's hanging from a tree or the edge of a roof. And to do that, we're going to draw lots of clouds all around our spider, starting with a straight line and then a fluffy cloud shape on top. Now we'll draw big clouds up close and small clouds way off in the distance. And don't forget, you can draw some clouds half off the page. Okay, and I might draw one more over here. There we go. And we've got our spider hanging high up in the sky. Now your drawing challenge today is to give this spider a nice hat to keep him sun safe. So have a think about what sort of hat you're going to give your spider, draw it on your page, and I'll see you next time.